This tutorial is going to show how to use Google Classroom extension for Chrome, which is a useful tool for adding URLs and web-based resources quickly to your Google Classroom classes. Extensions are small pieces of software that are developed to add functionality to a browser like Chrome. So the first step in what we're going to do, I will actually show you how to add the extension to Chrome by going to the Chrome Web Store. Okay, you notice now that I'm in my Chrome browser, and in my upper right hand corner I have these small icons. These are all icons for other web browser extensions that I have added to my Chrome browser. And in the right hand corner you'll see the three dots that allow you to customize and control Google Chrome. When you click that, you're going to be given this menu, and I'm going to go down to Settings. On the left hand side under Settings, Extensions is at the top, and I'm going to be seeing the extensions I already have installed. You may or may not have any extensions installed, but at the bottom of that list, I'm scrolling all the way to the bottom, there's a link that says Get More Extensions. That takes me into the Chrome Web Store, where I can type in the phrase Google Classroom, which will then search for extensions that have that in the title. This is the extension we're going to be looking at today. It's called Share to Classroom. You can open it and read about it if you would like to, but if you're certain you want to add it, you can click the blue Add to Chrome button. It's going to ask you for permission or to cancel. So I'm going to say Add Extension. And then you'll see a pop-up window in the upper right corner that says that it's successfully been added to your Chrome. You'll also notice that that icon will now be up in the corner of your Chrome browser whenever you open Chrome up. So it'll be there ready for you to use. Now once that's done, the tab that opened the Chrome Web Store can be closed. The tab that opened up your settings can be closed. And I'm actually going to go ahead and close this browser instance too, because I have another tab already opened over here that we're going to look at. So I'm going to pretend that this is a resource on Harriet Tubman that I'm hoping to share with classes that I have set up in Google Classroom. So I could copy this URL, go into Google Classroom, go into the class, open it up, and make my assignment using that link. But what happens with the Google Classroom extension is it's always up here in the right-hand corner. So as I'm skimming for resources, I can say, this is a good resource. I want to share that with my class. I click the extension. I automatically see the classes that are associated with my Google Classroom account because my Google Classroom account and my Chrome account are all tied to the same username and password. So I'm going to say that I want to assign it to this summer sample class. I can then click that arrow that says it defaults to push to students, but I could create an assignment from here, ask a question, or make an announcement. So the general options that you're going to usually want to use with it will probably be to make an announcement if you just want to drop it in as a link, or if you want to create an assignment around this link, you can do that, or ask a question about it. I'm going to do it just as an announcement this time. So it comes up, it has a place for me to choose if I want all of the students in the class or just some of them to get it. I can also type a message to them. So I'm just going to say, this is a good resource to learn about Harriet Tubman. I can give it a topic if I'd like to. So I created this Black History Month resource topic already, so I'm going to choose that one. And then I can either post it immediately, or I can schedule it, or even save this as a draft. I'm going to go ahead and post it immediately. And then I can pop open to the Google Classroom from here if I'd like to. I'll go ahead and do that just so you can see what happens. It opens my Google Classroom in a new tab, and you'll see that here's the post that I just shared, that I created. It has the link, so it goes right into that class and students can access it right away. So it's a very quick and easy way to you could be just searching for resources on the web and find something that you want to share to your Google Classroom, and it's a quick and easy way to do that. So if you haven't added Google Classroom extension to your browser tools, I would go ahead and do that. I'm going to go through those steps to add it one more time. The three dots in the upper corner, Settings. Be sure that you're in the Extensions part of the settings, and then scroll to the bottom to Get More Extensions. That opens the web store. and then you'll do a search just for Google Classroom. And again, the one that we just added is called Share to Classroom. Hope that you find that useful.